Hey guys, my name is Kariti Tech and welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at special date functions in Microsoft Excel, and the first function that we are going to look at is called workday function. So the workday function is inserted as equal, then you type the word workday. Excel has already shown it to you here. So the first thing that you're supposed to include is the start date, then the days and the holidays if they are there. And let's see how we can use this, assuming that you want to know the end date or the deadline on which employees that are supposed to complete a certain task. So assuming that you have today's date, you first include, you insert the function like this, then you come here and you include opening quotes. Our today's date is month of September 30th 2024. Then you close quotes. After that you include comma. So assuming that the employees have worked for or are supposed to work for 10 days. Yeah. So assuming that the employees are supposed to work for 10 days, so you type 10 like that, and you want to know the deadline date. So after you type that, you press enter, and you can see that our answer is not properly formatted, so we are going to come here and put it on short date. So the date or the deadline date on which the employees are supposed to complete that task is on October 14th 2024. Yeah, so that's how you can use the workday function. So the second function that we can look at is the network days function. So and the network days, the same way, you insert it by typing an equal sign, then network days like that. So you include the start date, the end date and the holidays. So in this function, you will be having two things. So the first thing that you have is the starting date of when the task started and when it completed. So what you do, you come and include opening quotes. So the starting date, assuming it was September 01, September 1st 2024, you close quotes, comma, and the end date or the day on which the task completed was start again with opening quotes, September again, then assuming it was on 15th 2024, like that, and then you close quotes. When you press enter, you will see that Excel has given you an answer of 10 working days. So this function will only consider the working days only, excluding the weekends and maybe the holidays if there is. The same with this one. It will always consider the working days. So that's it about those special date functions in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.